Well, hello. In this video right here, my question was asking, should I start another, or should I consolidate my European nightcrawlers into one worm bin? And from your feedback, thank you for all the comments. The conclusion is I am going to stick with 2 worm bins. And the reason I'm going to do that is because you, the viewer, said that it would be a great backup plan. It's always good to have extra worms just in case something happens. So I'm going to stick with just my 2 European nightcrawler worm bins and just let nature run its course. So here's another video to watch. I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.